from Artistry Auto Detailing. I wanted to make this video showing my clients how easy it is to apply Reload silica spray sealant. Crystal Serum Ultra has been applied to this Porsche. It's a brand new Cayenne, and Crystal Serum Ultra is more like a clear coat than it is a wax. That's why it has a 9-year guarantee. Now, just because you got a coating doesn't mean that, now you can neglect the vehicle. So I teach how to do a 2-bucket wash method to keep from scratching it. And then also I like to use Reload every 3 or 4 months just to keep the coating performing at its best. So just getting it, at most places this would be an upcharge, but I will not let a coated car leave here without this done, because you can get water spots on your coating. And I want to show you how easy this is. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do this door, this part of the hood, the front bumper. I just sprayed my dog. More of the bumper. Get it the right angle so I don't spray it on the window. I'm spraying on it. You can spray it on the window. You can spray it on the window. You can spray it on the glass. You can spray it on the rims. You can spray it on everything. It's not bad, and it will not stain anything. So I have 2 towels. One, I'm going to smear this around just to make sure that everything gets even coverage. And in the process, you're kind of making a mess. I mean, you're taking the product and you're just making these big smear marks. The paint looked absolutely amazing. And now I'm just screwing it all up. Well, it looks like I'm screwing it up, but I'm actually helping it. The front end, where you get all your bugs. Alright. Spread this all around. Like I said, just I'm too short. Just smear it around. Very little pressure. I mean, it's like putting lotion on your skin. So it's just kind of real light pressure. Wiping it on. Covering everything. It's easy to buff off after you make all your smear marks. And yeah, I even put it in the grills. Caesar's always in the way. Wherever I'm working, that's where he wants to be. Alright, so that's towel number 1. This is towel number 2. Towel number 2, all you have to do is come back and buff off the smear marks that you made. So you go back to your perfect paint just by buffing off the smear marks. And this is basically, considered Reload has been applied. So you do this once every 3 or 4 months, and your coating will look like it was just done every single time you wash your car. Washing your car the wrong way is how most damage is done. Neglect is probably how the second most damage is done. Maybe the first, I don't know. It's a tie between the 2. Now, your worst enemies, of course, are going to be bird bombs, and in Florida, love bugs. So the coating gives you a little bit of protection from the love bugs and the bird bombs, but I wouldn't want them going directly onto my coating, just like I wouldn't want them going directly on my clear coat. So that's why all my coated cars get coated, or get topped, I should say, with the Reload silica spray sealant. And then I ask you guys to do it every few months just to keep it looking as perfect as possible. So, I don't know how long this video is, but I'm gonna guess 5 or 6 minutes. And 5 or 6 minutes to do the entire front half of this Porsche. I think it's pretty quick. Pretty easy. Pretty easy and pretty quick. A lot of towel flipping. And you get product build up in your towel. So flip your towel a lot. Fold your towel a lot. And that's it. It's as simple as that. So that's Reload applied to the hood, the right front fender, the entire grille, and the other front fender, all within probably about, like I said, 5 or 6 minutes. So now, right back to having that perfect finish again. That's it. So that would be something that you would do after you wash the car, like I said, every few months. And that keeps the coating performing at its best. And then once a year, we like to see you for a maintenance detail, just to make sure that the coating is performing at its best, just in case maybe you didn't do what you were supposed to do. I'll fix it and bring it back. All right. It's November 30th, I believe. This is Jeff at Artistry. This might look familiar because I just did a Porsche, I don't know, a couple weeks ago. But you can tell by the wheels, this one's different. Other than that, it's exactly the same. Oh yeah, and the interior is tan, the other one was black. But we're all done, right, Caesar? He's got a sock on his foot because I'm trying to keep him from biting in an ant bite. But anyway, once again, Jeff at Artistry. Reload, Iron X, tire dressing, soap, towels, buckets to wash your car, wash mitts, all available at artistryautodetailing.com. All right, once again, this is Jeff. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.